we haven't talked enough about what we call period poverty, which is the fact that periods are a normal part of every young female's life, and that has a cost associated to it every month. So whether she needs to pay for sanitary towels or tampons. Wales were a long way ahead of England in many aspects, and now actually the government has said that free period products should be available in schools, but also to any groups in need. As the health board, we don't actually have the power to go into schools and things, but we do have the power to help people with their periods. So that's another sort of thing that we can help with if anyone is having problems.